So now, what are the different types of consultants we have? We have functional and technical consultants. So who are functional consultants and who are technical consultants? So functional consultants are the people who has association with the business processes. Let me give you an example. So a finance person has his close association with business finance related details. He is closely associated with finance operations. Same with SD person, he will have business related operations related to SD, sales operations. So like that, different business processes are there in the system. They are keenly focused on business process. They will understand the business process and they will do replicate the same in SAP. SAP will have the options available, like these are the settings. You do it in the system, you'll configure by understanding the business requirement, you'll configure the setup in the system. This is what a consultant does. Okay, these consultants are called functional consultants. Now there will be other consultants who are nowhere related to the business processes. They were nowhere related to business process, but they are the key people. They are called technical consultants. So I'll give you an example. In organization, your entire SAP application is developed with SAP ABAP programming. Okay, ABAP is a programming language that is used for developing the SAP setup. SAP, when you are logging in, there are many screens. So there are finance related screens, there are SD related screens, related screens, lot of screens. Each screen will require backend programming to be written to see that screen and how it works. There will be so many lakhs of programs are there in SAP. All these programs, if they have any glitch, suppose it is going on some error, it is going on dump error, not the normal errors, simply enter the name, these details, kind of, not these kind of errors, but it is going on a glitch, completely some coding error is appearing on the screen. Then this technical consultants, uh, first the business end user will reach out to functional consultant. Suppose from a respective department where the issue is coming from, they will approach the finance person or SD person or any other consultant, and then they will understand the requirement and then they will take the issue to the technical consultant. Technical consultant will look at, okay, this is the dump error coming from so and so program. Because of this, they will be helpful in debugging the issue and finding the exact field missing. Functional consultant and technical consultant will collaborate together. Functional consultant will give all the business process and what are the fields, what are being used, everything to technical consultant. Technical consultant will say, okay, this is missing. That is the reason we are getting this particular glitch. We need to fix this and all. That's how your ABAP consultant who are mostly involved in programming, they fix it. Or there are another consultant called Basis. Their job is like your SAP is a very big software. So now it has to run. There will be so many background jobs running. There will be new users coming up. There will be unnecessary load on the system. You have to balance all of it. There will be a lot of upgrades, updates, lot of things, and your system should never be down. Because imagine a large manufacturing company who is doing international business, and if I am having a shipping to be done today, so that if I ship today, my I'm shipping somewhere around some 800 to 1000 cars to some other country, and all of a sudden my SAP is not working and I am not able to ship my products, and my ship is waiting at the bank to ready to leave to another country. So if my SAP is not performing rightly on time and the ship is about to leave, and all these 800 cars, it has to wait for the next 20 days or 15 days for another ship to come and again schedule it and again. and currently I have a booking which is wasted in the ship, it's a huge loss. If your system doesn't work on time basis, then it will be a huge loss, and you should never let it come down. So your business will come to halt. So it is very, very important. This basis consultant will do the upgrades. They will install the updates. They're responsible for keeping the performance of the system. They will not let the system come down. They will come continuously monitor all the load, traffic, everything, and I will ensure that system is running. Apart from that, nowadays you also have analytics. So you have also analytic people who are now does this analytics on the database and all. Okay, so you have SAP Analytics. That's I don't have to give explanation more about analytics. You know what you do with analysis. This is about your functional and technical consultants. Furthermore, in depth, what is the roles and responsibilities of a what are the roles and responsibilities of a finance consultant? So, finance consultant in SAP is called FICO consultant. FICO means FI stands for financial accounting, CO stands for management accounting. So, financial accounting means your external reporting purposes. So, what are the external reporting that you do? So, as a company, you do the quarterly submissions, you do the annual report submissions, your performance of the company using your balance sheet and income statements, right? Income statement, or it is also called as P&L, profit and loss statement. So earlier it was called as P&L. Nowadays it is called as income statement. Okay, so same with management reporting. Now, management reporting is for internal purposes. So as a manager, you don't have to submit everything to the government, but you have to be having a close watch on all your organizational activities, how it is performing, how a particular department is performing, what are the particular sales I have, where I have to focus more, where am I incurring more cost, how to reduce the cost. You want regular reports. So one day the cost of manufacturing will go up, the other day cost of manufacturing will go down. You have to have a balance check on all of this, what's happening. And this management is what effective management will lead to good profits. So this is very important. All the business operations, how you operate your business will be considered here. But day-to-day business operations, how I am managing all this activities will be taken care in your management accounting. Now, financial accounting and you have management accounting, this put together, you are called, if you are good with doing both FI and CO, you are called a FICO consultant. Now what is the responsibility of a FICO consultant? A FICO consultant will understand the day-to-day business processes of finance department in any organization, and he or she will embed all those business processes in the SAP system. They will activate the SAP system for that particular company. You bought a new software, or the software is already used by an existing company. Depending upon that, you have different types of projects that are being taken up. Like, for example, if it is a new product, that is you will have a different approach. If it is already the SAP product is already there, but there is a change in business process, then you will have a different style. Okay.